So, question of the day. You mentioned that she's a smoker. We've had a few people that have mentioned a very common thing with smokers are the smoker's lines around the lips. Is there a reason we don't try to get rid of every single one of those smoker's lines?
Yeah. So the smoker line is a myth. As we get older, we lose some fat on the subcutaneous tissue, and the lines become more pronounced, even for people who are not smoker. But people who smoke, obviously, are using that mimic muscle, and also losing some of the strength in the skin. They have more pronounced and deeper wrinkles. So with laser, you can't completely get rid of it unless you do ablative CO2 laser. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go few passes on that area to improve the texture.
So, my follow up question is you said you're going to remove the glands. When you're talking about removing these glands, we need those, don't we?
Yeah. So this is what happens. There is a muscle, it's called 𝗪𝗲𝗸, which hides half of the lobe inside, and sometimes as we get older, this gland getting large, and also the tissue get lax, and they protrude or prolapse outward inside, so you see two, like almost like ball under your neck. Those are submandibular glands. So what I do, I don't remove all of it. I remove the portion that is protruding. Like if you have a bag under your eyes, those are as a result of the fat that's protruding outward. So there are some fat that we need under the eye to keep it as like a cushion, but the one that are protruding outward, we remove those. Basically reduction, not removal.
We don't talk about it all that much, but like, what are the different brow lifts, and do you have a favorite technique for the brow lift?
So basically, there's endoscopic brow lift, which is my favorite one, and there's also direct or coronal, which is a cut in the forehead area that for some people is indicated to do that, and for people who have a short forehead lift, forehead area, or you want to reposition, bring the forehead from, which is the tall forehead, and bring that down. That might be appropriate because endoscopic doesn't help that. Or people have quite a bit of wrinkles. That is like two major ones. And also we have direct brow lift, which is for